What meaning and message can we take away from the central service of the Kohen Gadol in this week's parsha, the Shnei Agorolos, on the Shnei Seirim, a lottery, right hand, left hand, two identical goats? I would like to present three approaches. One is the Malbim. The Malbim, in his Parish on Mishlei, says that the Gorol represents a message to man. Man thinks that very often after his koach habechira, his ishtadlus ends, he can't do any more to control his life and make the right decisions. At that point, mikra takes over, chas v'shalom. And the gorol comes to tell you no. And that at that point, hashgacha takes over. So when man's power of decision ends, that's where hashgacha takes over, and that's Hashem and the gorol. Rav Soloveitchik understood that the message here is part of vidui. When we ask Hashem to forgive us, we're asking Hashem that there's so many elements in our life that are out of our control, that are irrational. We don't have a clear understanding of our destiny, and therefore very often we sin, but out of a sense of loss, not chas v'shalom deliberately. And that's the message of the Shnei HaSeirim and the Gorah. But the Likutei Halachos writes a third message, and he says that David HaMelech cries out to Hashem, and he says, "Ana Hashem, I don't have any eights. I don't know how to make decisions. I can't always differentiate between right and wrong, between truth and falsehood. They all look the same sometimes. It's almost impossible to discern they're two identical goats." And then he pleads to Hashem, and that Sa'aka expresses itself in the Gorel, crying out to Hashem, asking Hashem to please reveal that which is good and that which is evil. Give us that guidance that we desperately need to achieve tshuva and kapar for avonos. He wrote on that we should take all these messages to heart and be uplifted and project ourselves to avodas Hashem, to tshuva, and to achieve kapar kedi ratzon. Amen.